Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a mob bomb. See, I'm just gonna show you how this thing works. First, you need any block and any spawn you like. I'm using chicken, and you can use fence if you like to. There, so that is where the mob goes. So I'm gonna make 10 by 10. So there, I made a cage for chickens. Now add 3 blocks or 5 blocks of any block you're using. Now destroy the other 4, the bottom. Now add 3 blocks on the top of it. I destroy the 2 the between. Oh, sorry. Add 4 blocks, then remove this remaining 3 at the center. So you should look like that. Now keep spawning chickens on the top here, as many as you can. I'll just cut the video, so I'm gonna show you after whatever. Just gonna show it to you later when it explodes. Now guys, that's about 10 seconds. There, as you can see, there's many chickens because they're afraid to hurt themselves. Now to make the bomb explode, oh, let me just add some more. To make the bomb explode, you just have to destroy this block and then voila, look. Boom! It's not actually a bomb, just don't like the mobs are just go around. Then next time I'm gonna use cow. I'm gonna use cow this time. There's okay, just cut the video. So that is one battalion. Oh, I don't even know how many cows are there. So let me just destroy this thing and then boom. Now in order to kill them all, you don't have to use sword and keep fighting like that and like that, and something like that is kind of hard, like whatever. I'm gonna kill you all. Sorry about that. It's not something you shouldn't kill them like that. You should get search and type harm and look for the instant splash potion of harming, then instant damage. Oh, let me just turn off the rain. So there, in order to kill them all, just click on them like you're going to die rapidly. I'm gonna kill them, all of them, gonna kill you, going to kill, and that's a lot of food, feather, leather, whatever, and experience. They're totally gonna kill them. Even if you have this on survival mode and you throw in beside you or in front of you, you'll hurt yourself very badly. Come on, die, man, die. Then just gonna get all this stuff here. Oh yeah. Ah, it hurts in my eyes. Let me change the... Oh, that's not my blood. That is actually the harming potion. Stop it. Enough. Come here. Just have a trivia to you. Did you know that if you have your sword with... if you have a sword that is with fire aspect, if you kill a chicken, you'll get cooked chicken. And if you kill a cow, you'll get a steak. That's how it works. But if it doesn't have fire aspect, you'll get raw pork chop, raw beef, raw chicken. That's how you get. Because when you kill them, it cooks themselves, so you'll get cooked. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, bye.